Hi, I'm Mike Ferguson and I'm the business unit leader for warehouse and distribution. So Archwood is always looking at reducing the emissions of the trucks and things that we got on site. So basically we recently embarked on a 2-year, 3-phase replacement program for our forklift trucks, which we had 30 trucks. They were all operating diesel and gas. So we went through the program and we reduced that level down to 20 trucks by amalgamating different types of working patterns. And now we have 19 electric trucks and just 1 gas truck. So Archwood is always looking at the opportunities to decarbonise our fleet of 4 trucks. Currently, we don't feel that the current infrastructure or fuel alternatives are at a level they need to be to support the business. But it's something that is forever evolving. It's something we're always looking at doing. Our fleet is on quite flexible hire contract, so as things develop within the marketplace, we can quickly shift and sign up to those opportunities. We do, however, look at the things we can impact. One of the things we've impacted is that we've reduced our stem mileage quite significantly. We also embarked on a driver training program, which might seem quite insignificant, but it is. So basically our drivers are obviously trained to drive the vehicles, but they're also trained by external auditors to make sure that their driving behaviours are monitored. So that's about excessive braking, excessive acceleration, those type of things, and that also impacts on the fuel emissions.